Hey everyone, today I'm working on a 2021 Subaru Forester. This vehicle marked my first epic fail in detailing. I've been anxious to get an exterior detail added into my videos, so I just went for it. Now you can hear the wind howling here in the beginning, and I didn't realize it was 29 degrees. I guess as a true Minnesotan, I think it feels warmer than it is. As you'll see, I only get a short part of the wash filmed because the water froze almost immediately on the vehicle. And to add insult to injury, the wind blew down my camera. I'm so upset after that ordeal, I'm going to relax to the ambient sounds of the detail and keep my talking to a minimum. Let's get into it. Well, down went the camera. So I got the vehicle inside. You can see here that I took out the seats and it did expose a lot of the filth underneath that needs to be vacuumed. All in all, this vehicle is in pretty good shape. It just really needed kind of that extra cleaning here just to make it look like new again. So the seats weren't too dirty here, so I gave them a quick vacuum, shampoo, and extraction. You might be asking,
Scrapper, you sure detail a lot of Subarus and Toyotas. Is that all they drive in Minnesota?
well, that's not all we drive around here, but they sure are pretty common. What make of vehicle is most common in your area? Put your answers down in the comments below. As I said earlier, this vehicle was in most need of a real meticulous vacuuming. This carpet is pretty average quality, so I took my time moving around the vehicle, used my drill brush when necessary to kind of sweep all that dirt and sand into the vacuum. And while I have a moment here, if this is the second or third one of my videos that you've seen and you're still not subscribed, well, I think it's safe to say that fate is telling you to get down there and hit that subscribe button. These floors did have some all-weather floor mats in them, which made cleaning these carpets fairly easily. I just used some Chemical Guys lightning fast stain extractor and kind of hit around the edges, and I did do a little bit underneath the floor mats as well, but being that this is a newer vehicle, I didn't have to spend too much time on this step. After learning my lesson with the washout side, I decided to just spray these mats down with APC and use the drill brush and wipe them clean. My plans of using the pressure washer were dashed. Now, since this is a new vehicle, I didn't need to pull out the steamer for the trim. The APC and brush did the job. You'll notice my surprise with how much grime came off the leather armrest after giving it a good scrub with my brush. Holy. The next step is to apply some 303 aerospace protectant to finalize the look and give it some great UV protection. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I really rave about how much I love this product. Finally, I got my camera to capture the glass cleaning, except I forgot to put on my nitro gloves because I was so worried about making sure the camera was filming. Someday I'll get this filming down exactly to a science, but until then, baby steps. This vehicle really came back to life. The vacuuming made a huge difference and the 303 made the trim pop. I hope you enjoyed this new detail with the ambient sounds playing. If you did, go down and let me know in the comments. Also, go down and hit that like button. Share this video to your friends. As always, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep it clean.